Hi, I created this landing page without touching a single line of code, and today I'll be showing you guys how to create a similar one for you for a business, for agency, etc. Yeah, as you can see here, I have several animations and automations besides the animations natively adapted to my website. Here, as you can see, when I would just hover my mouse here, you can see the animation, and I also spread it some persuasive context for my customers, my story, and what Amazon buyer, what Amazon sellers are saying, some testimonials, and my steps to create a beautiful Amazon custom software solution. So this is the part where my automations are located. Here, as you can see, you can easily subscribe to my weekly spam and just get to know what's happening in the field, whatever. So let's to kick things off. I have several steps to create something like this website here, as you can see. The first step is to have a detailed explanation and brief description of your business. What do you do? Who you are? And how long have you been in this business? And what your customers say about you, along with the testimonials, etc. And the second step is to create a beautiful structure for your landing page, which we will pass to AI models to help you create a stunning landing page for you. And you were just watching the show entirely in this process. And the last but not least, you'll publish it using modern hosting services like Netlify. In my case, I'm using Netlify because it's very easy to use and just really cheap. I'm on the free plan. I didn't even exceed the plan, so it's a nice hosting service. And yeah, and you can also use some other hosting services too, but just follow along and let's just get started. So the first step was actually to have a beautiful, the brief explanation, detailed of your business, like what you do, what your business is. Like for me, it was I've been working for an e-commerce company, and I've been creating some solutions, AI automations, data pipelines, and stuff. So I create a beautiful description of what I do, an explanation. And in terms of business, I'm just giving some services to other Amazon sellers too, and I'm just offering them a services. And I needed a great landing page, a persuasive landing page for my customers. So I came up with an idea to just make LLM models work for me, code for me for my landing page. So have a beautiful, detailed explanation, brief description of your business, like what I've done actually for my business. Like I just gave my entire story because the ChatGPT also knows me, like a lot of things about me, knows a lot of things about me. So I just gave a beautiful description, like you already know me, and I just want to give some other. I just want to give some service to other sellers too, like sellers on Amazon, sellers on Etsy. That's also include not only Amazon. Anyway, and I've been just creating some softwares like or systems or data pipelines like this, and you can insert a example projects, one of the example projects of you, and just also explanation of what this like software do, what does it do. And yeah, it will be enough. And ChatGPT or the other LLM models might be asking some follow-up questions about your business, so you just answer them. And as a final step for the structure, just ask them, give me a beautiful structure for my landing page, like this one. Where was it? Ah, there you go. Okay, so that's Lovable, and you can easily use it for your landing page. It's gonna be coding for you for your landing page for your business, whatever. Let's continue. And this was my structure for this website for my landing page. Here, as you can see, landing page structure, headline, and hero section. Turn Amazon challenges. You can change them. It's up to you. Probably you'll be changing it. And sub headline, CTA buttons like click to action, explore how, links to case studies, consultation booking and stuff. And optional, a short friendly video. I didn't just insert a video, but you can also publish it with a video of you just explaining what's happening. And like this, guys, What was the name of the? Anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys later, not in this video. All right, your story, because that structure is actually proved concept for better conversions. When it comes to conversions, it's actually the bottom line to find a great structure for your landing page, because you need to have a great retention ratio for your customers to make it able to make them or to recurring customers. Anyway, so this was mine, and like pretty much, I can say it's been performing pretty much nice. It was nice when I compared to other landing page structures, but this one is also very nice. This one is, I think, is the one of the best that I ever had so far. So the second context will be second section will be in my landing page is my story, the title, tell a concise human story, how I started working with Amazon sellers like this. I saw seller drowning and scratches manual tasks and stuff, the pain points discovered, and your passion for building solutions, and what I offer, some solutions, and the proof of credibility, which is the most important, the most important part of the entire page is testimonials and proof and credibility. You can also swipe it to the second section. So I will just change the locations of these sections, because the proof and credibility is, I think, the bottom line is the most important thing of the entire page. So testimonials, just insert some testimonials and some project highlights, as you can see. So it gave me a AI repricing tool because I gave a beautiful explanation, a detailed explanation of one of my AI tools that I created for an Etsy seller back in time. And that was an AI repricing tool for Etsy. And I give an LM model detailed brief and detailed and concise explanation from my AI repricing tool. I just included here, as you can see, the structure included in the structure, and how I'm different, no buzzwords, and also the overall. These were the other sections. You can just easily modify it, change it. It's up to you. The final CTA, and the tone tips, which is also really important because I just want to avoid this type of jargon, like hype wars, revolutionary, guaranteed results. Like, I just want to have a great conversational language, like storytelling, a specific. Okay, I guess I can say that. Anyway, like the proved results from real customers and stuff, and clean design with screenshots of dashboards, workflow diagrams, or friendly team photos for the visuals, so for the visual part. Yeah, so this was my structure that I used for this landing page, and you can also find this structure in the description of this video. And it gave me a beautiful landing page, and I also wanted to have some animations too. Oh, by the way, it's Lovable. I'm using Lovable here, and if you want to create something similar, you'll be using Lovable too for this case. I'll just show you guys. I just asked for animations for my landing page. Okay, that was the part. That was the point where things got actually interesting. Here you can see. Okay, keep it as type 1 landing page. Now I want you to create a non-conventional tech bro landing page. Make it really unique. And I think that was a turning point for my landing page, because it really looked like a boring landing page. But whenever I just asked a beautiful, non-conventional tech bro landing page, it gave me this, and it was amazing. ACT is acronym for my business, Amazon Solutions, Amazon Tech. What the fuck was that? I forgot the name. Anyway, it's a demo. It's not live. So that was an acronym for my business, and after that was actually like a breaking point, like a turning point for my pinnacle point of my landing page. And the result was amazing. The result was amazing. I loved it. So once you get that, you're done with the landing page. So this was my final version of my landing page. I really liked it. So all you need to do is actually publish. And once you publish it, you need to also create a GitHub repo based on this chat. Okay, once you create a GitHub repo, once I click that button here, we want GitHub, because I already create a, okay, Amazon Clarity Tools. That was the name of the AC, the long version of the acronym. Anyway, so here's, you can see, this was my GitHub repo. You have to have a GitHub repo, because when it comes to publishing, you'll be using this GitHub repo to publish it for your customers. So, yep. So you created a repo, create a beautiful landing page, and now you feel ready to continue with the next steps. So let's just soar to the new heights. All right, for the publishing part, we'll be using Netlify, which is one of the best publishing services out there in the marketplace for indie developers, especially for indie developers. But if you're like at scale company, you need to just create a new you just use a new hosting services for your landing pages to like AWS or Google Cloud, something like that. But for indie developers like me, probably you're also the indie developer too, maybe just a business owner. Anyway, Netlify is the best option, the best choice for you. Anyway, once you get that page, you're just gonna open the sidebar and sites, come to the sites section and add a new website. Import an existing project. You can import it from GitHub, and this is the part where you're just gonna use your GitHub repo for publishing. Just choose it. Choose GitHub and authorize it, and just gonna choose the other projects that you have. So I already choose the AI adaptable hub. I mean, this one was for my other project. You just finding the AMC cleared tools or your project, well, whatever you name it, and just click the buttons, and there you go, you have it. That was pretty much it. It's been like 12 minutes for this video, and you already created a beautiful landing page for your customers, and you're ready to do some business. And by the way, once you publish it here on Netlify, you don't have any custom domains. But if you have a custom domain, you already bought it like a while ago, and you can easily add a, there you go, add a domain you already own. So it's really easy to adapt. Just change the domain to your real domain. Here's, you can see, Magnificent Malabai, whatever, the netlify.app. So that's not a live domain. Doesn't make any sense. Probably I'm just gonna getting like acttools.com, something like that. You can, what I'm trying to say is actually you can easily actually add your own domain too. Yeah, and that was it. That was it for this video. That was pretty much it. And it's hella easy to create something like this. You were just asking some prompts. You were just giving some prompts about your business or about the entire structure of the landing page. Like, but the pinnacle point of my landing page was actually I asked a non-conventional style for my landing page. As you can see, that was the final result, and I really liked it. So yeah, that was pretty much for this video. If you guys liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel, and probably I'll be just creating a detailed course on how to create website, how to create web applications too. This is not a web application. This is just a landing page. But when it comes to web application, the things get complicated, because landing page is just a front end, just shows the customers where to go. You know, the book a call, and that's your my Calendly. All right. But when it comes to applications, web applications, you need to also do backend. But don't worry, AI can also handle it. But not, I'm not gonna do that here right now. Maybe in the next videos. So please subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out. And if you liked it, thumbs up, and see you in the next one. And please don't forget to check the Udemy courses too. I do also have some Udemy courses on how to create AI applications using local models like DeepSeek's local models, Gemini, whatever. Yeah, that was the first video, and yeah, happy vibe coding.